Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here on a beautiful Norwegian gem. We are just about 100 miles off the coast of St. Martin. We're pulling into that port in about an hour or two. I'm going to head downstairs to the Fresh Harvest Buffet for some breakfast. Come on down with me. Let's see what they get. So perhaps you didn't hear what I was saying at the beginning of the video. I realized the audio wasn't that great. I believe my finger was on one of the microphones. The camera has 3 microphones, but if my finger is over one of them, then you have a hard time hearing me. So just to let you know, I am on my way to the breakfast buffet here on the Norwegian Gem. We're just about ready to pull into St. Martin in about an hour or two. And I've been on the ship for 2 days now at sea. Looking forward to getting my feet on some land. Gonna have breakfast here at the Garden Cafe Buffet. Come along with me. Let's check it out. I'm always amazed when I'm on these cruises how much people talk about these all-you-can-eat buffets, and quite honestly, it's probably the worst food on the ship. There's so many great restaurants, but I will tell you one thing, this is super convenient, pretty much day, afternoon, or evening, even late into the evening. I'll do my regular flyby here, and then I'll come back and fill up my plates. We had some bread and rolls, and now we have some hot favorites. When I was growing up, my 2 hot favorites were Farrah Fawcett and Linda Ronstadt. What about you guys? Let me know in the comments below. Of course, we have eggs, eggs, and more eggs. Those country potatoes look pretty good. And we have some breakfast tacos, some breakfast burritos, and some egg, I guess, soufflés. I don't know, all made with eggs, all this stuff. And now we have things that are more my speed. We have some griddled food, which is pancakes and waffles. They were covered, but I'll be coming back for those. We have some oatmeal and some sausage and some bananas Foster, I guess, to top off those pancakes. And it looks like we have some dried meats and cheeses for those, I guess, who aren't in the mood for breakfast. Some fruits. I'll tell you one thing, fruits and cookies are 2 things that are always good to bring back to your cabin. No one seems to mind, and you'll always have something to nibble on if you get hungry while in your cabin. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. And a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in my latest Atlantic City video, the Tropicana North Tower Room and Pool Tour. Congratulations, Robert. So I really made a mess of this plate, didn't I? I picked up some brioche French toast, a Belgian waffle with some bananas Fosters on top. I have some sausage, some grilled ham, I have country potatoes, and some butter. And what's really making the mess is the berry compote I put on the French toast. It's a beautiful morning as we pull into St. Martin, and I decided to eat my breakfast on the outside portion of the Garden Cafe Buffet deck so I can enjoy the weather, perhaps see us pulling into St. Martin, and just enjoy my breakfast out here. I know I usually spend a lot more time on these buffet videos, but this is a breakfast buffet, not the biggest meal of the day as far as I'm concerned, and I'm getting ready to set foot on St. Martin, which I'm sure I'll have a nice lunch and I'll videotape that as well. So not so much a huge breakfast here today at the Garden Cafe Buffet. Land ho! You can always tell when you're getting close to land because you start seeing birds again. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Don't forget, click on that thanks button below the video and get a shout out on an upcoming video. So the breakfast buffet at the Garden Cafe here on the Norwegian Gem wasn't bad at all. It's pretty much what I expected for a breakfast buffet. They had a nice selection. Everything was getting kind of cold pretty fast, and once I got outside to that outdoor deck, which by the way had beautiful views, things got colder a lot faster. So like I said, they had a good selection. I'd much rather sit down inside at a restaurant with a tablecloth and be served piping hot food by a server, but once in a while I do the buffet videos as well. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to your New York channel, and thanks for watching, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.